All right, so welcome back, you all. Today's question: has your epoxy project ever leaked? Okay, obviously the one we just showed you with the small baking pan, it can't leak. As you start to grow and your projects get bigger, you're gonna find yourself making a lot of your boxes to house your wood in. So now, run that question one more time. Has your epoxy ever leaked? I'm gonna tell you, ours leaked a number of times years ago. We went through so many different things, trial and error. Some were worse than others, all that sort of stuff. So we feel like a lot of people that have attempted the boxes, we feel like that's happened to you all as well. They've probably leaked at some point. You're watching money just flow right out the project, and it is the sickest feeling in the world. So we want to help you with that today. If this 2x6 was your base, okay, the bottom there, and this 2x4 is going to end up, now remember we use 1x4s, they're thinner and they don't have the curved edge. So let me just throw that out there to you. But if this is your side walls, so now you got your base and you got all four of your side walls there, what is great to do at this point before we dump all this money in here and watch it run out somewhere? This is what me and Tom do. There is probably other methods. Some probably work. Some are probably a gamble. Some probably don't work. Let me tell you what we know does work for me and Tom. Check this out. Y'all know we do bathrooms. We do showers, things like that. So what we figured out over the years is go board sealant. So the first question that probably comes to your mind is, where do you get it? Lowe's just started carrying this. Lowe's. Before that, it was like a professional tile store, that sort of things. It wasn't easy to come by. So Lowe's carries it now. That's a helpful piece of the puzzle. But the go board sealant. So you all seen, and if you haven't, I'm sure you've seen a box laid out. You all know at that point the box is done up. It's all screwed from the bottom. We are getting ready to apply tuck tape everywhere to keep our project from sticking. What you need to do is take this, put it in a caulk gun, right on the inside of that box. You want to squeeze that right down in there where those hit. Go up your corners, bring it on around up your corner and continue all the way around. It takes 40 minutes for this to dry on the surface, and it becomes like an elastic, like taking a balloon and stretching it over something. At that point, 40 minutes later, we actually take our tuck tape, we put a piece in all four corners, then we put a band, just like in a shower, all the way around. Then we start up at one end and start working that back and forth all the way through. So we know firsthand, if you do your project like that and you've got that sealed up that good, we know you ain't gonna leak because we don't leak. So just a great option there. If you've ever crossed that, had that experience, had that happen to you, really cool option to help you with building your box. So there is enough things that can go wrong in resin. The more you can correct, the more you can get figured out, the better off you're going to be in your project. And I want to tune you into one more thing before we turn it off here. I want to focus over here on the board real quick. We had Miss Amy from Washington State. It's one of the coolest things. And let me just tell you, we've had a lot of great comments. I know you're already reading it. Quit cheating. You're getting ahead. She reached out today and she said, her own words, you can see this on part 10 of our video. This is a great series, making me more confident to try an epoxy project. She goes on to say, woodworking has got me through some very dark days. Love learning Well, I can tell you, Miss Amy, we talked. You all can see the messages. I asked her permission to share that with you guys. And I know there is so many more of you all out here that are wondering the same thing, that feel the same way she does. Lord knows we had felt that way for years. Just wanted to thank Miss Amy for reaching out. That truly made our day. And at least we know what we're trying to do, what we're trying to help you all do in your journey. At least we know that it is working. It is working. So we are moving forward. And we just wanted to brag about her for a minute. So we hope these tips and the compliments and the gratitude for people just like this, we hope this helps you all and brings you all in, because this can be a great thing for all of us. Me and Tom learn every day. We will never know it all. We are going to try things that we have never tried before. And because of all the failing over the years, because of the success over the years, that's why we have the confidence to try things that we haven't even tried yet. So everybody wins here, and that's what it's all about. So kudos to Amy. Hope that tip helps you out. And until the next one, we'll see y'all back real soon.